This is Mississauga's 65-year-old European deli and food market.
They sell over 200 varieties of deli meats. They have a huge array of European products that they import here, and of course, an iconic hot deli.
This market doubles as a factory outlet situated directly beside their meat manufacturing plant. The close proximity it has keeps the store stocked with a generous supply of European-style deli meats like salami, kielbasa, and sausage. But what makes the space popular is their European hot deli counter that offers dishes like schnitzel, goulash, German potato salad, sauerkraut, and of course, their delicious sausages. We got a behind-the-scenes look at how they make some of their signature dishes like schnitzel and potato pancakes. The kitchen tour was led by none other than their deli chef Jodranka, an employee of more than 20 years. In fact, the meat company itself is the only medium-sized female-run meat company in Canada.
My name's Melissa Brandt-Welzel. I'm third generation here at Brandt Meats. You're visiting our factory outlet / European food market. We've been in business since 1958. My grandmother started this. We have a whole treasure trove of European goodies, chocolates, jams, cookies, anything you can imagine really.
Melissa's right, you're bound to find endless imported goods here. Some of my favorites being the Haribo gummy bears and their wall of mustard.
Look at the selection here. We're talking every type of mustard you could possibly dream of. This is like I died and went to heaven. Sweet, hot, peppered mustard. What is this, the best day ever? Another shop at Brandt Meats done well. Now we're talking, set for the rest of the week.
Find Brandt Meats manufacturing plant and European food market factory outlet at 1878 Mattawa Ave.